Thinking of starting an online fashion designing platform in Singapore? With strong digital adoption and a growing creative economy, Singapore is an ideal base for fashion tech platforms that connect designers, customers, and manufacturers online. An online fashion designing platform may allow users to customize designs, collaborate with designers, sell digital or physical collections, or manage made-to-order fashion. The first step is to register your company with ACRA and define the appropriate e-commerce, technology, and creative service business activities. Next, regulatory and compliance considerations are important. This includes consumer protection rules, data privacy obligations, intellectual property protection for designs, and clear terms for designers and users on your platform. Operational planning is key to success. This includes platform development, user experience design, payment integration, logistics coordination, and marketing strategy. Strong financial planning helps manage development costs, platform maintenance, and tax compliance as your business scales. At 3E Accounting Singapore, we support fashion, e-commerce, and tech startups with company incorporation, tax planning, regulatory compliance, and accounting services, so you can build a scalable and compliant online fashion designing platform.